All right, here we are at Tuscarora State Park. We got a nice little fire going. There's Gracie. She's got her lantern on because she's scared of the dark.
It's true.
But we got a nice fire going. It was kind of a pain to get going, but it's ready. We're staying in this cabin here. I'll take you inside real quick.
Cabin 5.
Cabin number 5. Some water here. The light doesn't work too well. I'm sure no moths or anything going here. But this is it. Some of our stuff. Sleeping arrangements. So yeah, it should be nice. Attention campers. Never know when bears are gonna come. I actually might take Gracie's stuff here and throw it in the fire. Alright, I know the fire's a little smoky right now because I just put a Subway wrapper on there. But this is Gracie cooking her s'more.
I don't like mine burnt.
So she's holding it very high above the flame.
I don't like it burnt even a little bit, if possible. Do you think it's melted yet?
No. I don't even think it's warm.
It's really not. But I don't like when it has like that film.
Hey.
Like I just like mine slightly melted on the exterior.
We made s'mores. Put the stuff away for now. Drinking some water. This is a Great Value brand. Purified. I'm also eating Biggs sunflower seeds, a tradition when I go camping. Tomorrow we're going to Knobels. I don't know if there's going to be too much more to show tonight.
Yeah.
But
If we had more daylight, I feel like we could have got some s'mores content.
maybe tomorrow.
Yeah, maybe.
Alright, it is Saturday morning. And we actually noticed here there is a friend on the wood. It's a frog. It's not doing much moving. I noticed him. Now, our fire is actually still smoking slightly. I do also have to put the car pass in the car. But it's a nice morning. We might take a walk down to the lake for a morning lake walk. Yeah, so I found another good sized frog. Where did it go though? It was in this general area. Because I went over here to hang up the hammock. Now I'm not seeing it though.
No, it's right there.
Yeah, there it is. It blends in well
Camouflaging.
with the leaves. It's a toad. Good to see some nature. On a morning walk here at the lake. Don't know the name of this lake, but it is a lake nonetheless. Here's some geese. Alright, so here we see a bunch of tadpoles. They actually look like, those might be baby catfish. Now that I'm getting closer to them. Pod. And here we are at the lake. Unfortunately, we can't swim because there's toxic algae, which sucks because I was really looking forward to it.
Okay, I think I'm gonna brush my teeth, get dressed. Am I supposed to wear a bathing suit too? Are we doing water or no?
We are at Knobels.
We're here.
We're actually underneath the sluice, and I think we're gonna want to wait a minute because here comes the car right above us. It's gonna go down this hill right here, and it makes a monstrous splash.
Oh my gosh.
And that one wasn't even as big because there's no people in it. So we'll probably get on that today, right?
Oh,
So
yeah.
here's our tickets for today. We have to buy more, but we're going to the carousel. There's soft ice cream. Here's the arcade. But the carousel here is iconic because you grab the rings and you try at the end to throw them in the mouth of the tiger. So we can't miss that. First time.
My first, you tried to
Here's the
pull?
thing. And then here is the carousel. And yeah, you can see over there, you grab the ring and then you throw it in the tiger's mouth at the end. On the bumper cars, here they are. I'm hoping to get on the, kind of like the red, white, and blue one, but I like the light blue one too. I want to see a big hit. Okay, well, we just went on the bumper cars. It was really fun. A lot of bumper cars suck, but that one's a long ride and they go fast, so there's like big hits. That's what I like about the Knobels. That's what I've always liked about the Knobels bumper cars.
It really reminded me of getting rear-ended when I was 17 years old. I felt the concussion coming back.
I kept spinning her around,
It was
but
really
she got
rude,
me
but
back eventually.
I ultimately
It's
won.
1 o'clock, we're eating dinner. We're in this, the World Food Stand lunch, one of my favorite places. I got this chicken sandwich. I was between a lot of things like barbecue, fish and chips, and chicken sandwich. Gracie got a pretzel for now. I assume we're gonna get more, maybe. I don't know. Maybe
Yeah, but I plan to get like a bunch of small things as
Okay. opposed
opposed to like a full meal. Like, I want this, I want my pickle. I want to get the hot apple sundae, but you told me last time not to get ice cream at the beginning. Even though we have Tums at the cabin. So, you know, gotta start small.
Alright, we're on the log flume. And I'm not gonna record for long because we can't. But there it is. We just went to the stand, the barbecue stand, and got corn. I kind of want to go back and get their burnt ends because they look really good, but Grace got her standard pickle. Let me know what you think.
Scrumptious. Remember when we got the apples with caramel and I just sat there and ate the caramel?
Yeah. We're gonna have to get some lemonade at the lemonade stand, maybe.
Yeah, that's true.
We just went on the sluice.
Someone around here smells like.
We're about to go on the Twister.
Oh, is that what this is? I thought it was the Phoenix.
Nope, Phoenix is the other one.
Oh, I see.
Alright. So we just went on the Twister. Now we're sweating and concussed.
Yeah,
so
that
I got
beat me up.
the frozen sweet tea, which is really good.
I got frozen lemonade, peach, got a small so I don't drink too much of it. So
But
good.
this is really good. And I kind of want an apple cider slush too, but this is really good.
Me too.
We're in the Christmas store. This is a staple of Knobels. First.
Oh my god, this is cute.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Santa on the roller coaster. That's funny. I like this one.
There's some good finds here, especially with Phoenix.
Oh my gosh, look.
Yep.
It's pretty elaborate. You
Yeah,
know?
I like it.
Wow. I missed
What are you gonna shoot? Tell us.
the knee. I missed.
Oh, you hit him. Stop. Those ones are facing kind of a wet. Here, hit the car roof. The red one. No, the red one like in the front of the car by the light.
Right there?
Yeah.
Did it.
Good job. I think the light's going too. Hit the yellow one by the light there.
Ooh.
We're going on the Phoenix now. It's always a good one.
Yeah, I should film a picture.
Here we are in the Coal Mine Museum. The classic location. Always need to go in here at Knobels. Here's a nice example for you of how they mined coal. Look at that. A lot of vintage stuff. Yep, there's the twister. In 1999. If you look up, there's part of a Ferris wheel they kept. All the signage. They're making some noises there. I think he stopped that. So here we are with Gracie's favorite. What is it?
Coconut ice cream. But I usually get ice cream in a cone, but it's hot, so I didn't want it to melt.
What's your thoughts on coconut ice cream?
My favorite.
Okay. But you can't get it just anywhere.
No, you can't find it at any ice cream shops. Bite?
Sure.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Yeah, it's refreshing.
I don't know how anyone couldn't like this. Oh, it has flakes in it.
We're sitting here along the river, straight across from mini golf.
And the swans.
Which I always said one of these days I need to play. It's just nice, you get to hear the carousel in the back. There's the bridge. That's actually one area straight across there we haven't actually gone yet today, so we'll have to just go there for old time's sake.
What? Oh, the bridge.
Yeah, across the bridge in this area to the left with the cake.
Yeah, I was wondering about that.
We were out on a date in my daddy's car. Hadn't driven very far. There in the road, straight at the sea. What you doing to me? When you don't believe a word I'm saying. We can go on together.
And this is not an old video, we're back on the Phoenix. We're back on the Phoenix. There it is. There's my burnt end sandwich. I also got a pickle. Half eaten. Crazy.
I got corn with garlic butter. I put, well, you can't really see now, but I put Old Bay on it
On Parmesan.
and Parmesan. And you didn't show our apple cider slush.
We did get apple cider, but it wasn't really a slush.
It wasn't really a slush, but
But it was supposed to be.
apple cider is still refreshing.
Alright, we're back to log flume. Just because it's one of the best rides in the park. You go up this little hill, back through the woods a little bit, and then down the big hill.
Love it.
We're just going after the next 4 boats that come. It doesn't matter who. We don't discriminate.
Yeah.
This looks like a good target. We got one more quarter.
One more.
Do you want to do the honors or not?
Well, I have this one.
Oh yeah, sure. All right. No, I'm gonna wait for the next one.
Okay.
I'd rather get a full boat. If I'm gonna use a quarter, I don't
Yeah.
flip. This is a great target right here.
Yeah.
All right. So you're gonna put the quarter in. And then you let it go a little bit early, right about. Now you got one too.
Okay.
Oh, she might be trying to. I'll put it in for now. Just put it in. Go, 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 go.
Okay.
Right now, right now. Go, 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 go. Just You're eating that pizza? This is Gracie's dinner's pizza. It looks okay.
It's floppy.
Looks like nothing special, but it's pizza.
It's pizza. All pizza tastes the same.
Yeah. All right, and then I had to do it. It's been a while, and I usually pass it up because it's like $8, but like the kettle corn is an iconic Knobels item.
Ooh.
So we had to get it. So here's our fire. It actually looks way better and hotter than last night right now, which makes sense because the wood is drier. I'm gonna go take a quick shower, so Gracie's in charge. I think I'll be back in time. Because I think finally, once you actually get the fire going, that's when the starter log actually starts going. So, I don't know the brand of those, but if you saw them previously in the video, don't buy those fire starters. Be right back. All right, when we were packing up, trip just coming to an end. And we had a good weekend. It looks like it could be a rainy-ish day today. But nice nonetheless. There's Gracie. And we're camping. We had a fun camping trip in Knobels.
Yes, we did.
Here's what's left of our fire from last night. Not much, as you can see. All right, time to say goodbye to our cabin. Lock it. Have the key that we have to return.
Wait, let's like not push and see what it does. Oh. I thought we'd be a little more